So I just stumbled upon this tool called phptop, and it's kind of blowing my mind. It tracks performance metrics for PHP applications in real time.
Wait, for real? That sounds super handy for developers. What kind of metrics are we talking about?
It actually measures time, memory usage, and even resource demands for multiple queries. Like, you can see how a specific URL is performing.
That's really interesting because it could totally help identify issues before they escalate. What's the setup like?
It's surprisingly easy. Just a single line added to your php.ini file, and boom, it's activated. Minimal resources required.
Okay, that's wild. I mean, considering how valuable performance is, something so simple can make a huge difference.
Exactly. And it's been in use for years without major issues on production servers. Just think about the potential for troubleshooting.
Right? You could literally pinpoint slowdowns on the fly. But does it affect the server performance at all?
Not really. It's lightweight, so you can keep monitoring without bogging down the server. That's a game changer.
Interesting. So you could use it during peak loads. But how accurate are the metrics? Are they reliable?
Yes. The data is real time, so you're looking at the most current performance metrics. It's got to be fairly accurate.
Wow, and what I find fascinating is how data-driven decisions can be made immediately using this. It's almost proactive.
Right. Think of it as having a health monitor for your applications. If something's off, you can act fast.
It's like fitting your app with a fitness tracker. You can catch the achy joints before they become a major issue.
Exactly. And the visualization of cyclic data can lead to much deeper insights over time. This is next level.
Totally. And considering PHP is so widely used, this tool could benefit a ton of developers. Imagine the collective performance boost.
Right, and it could potentially elevate the entire ecosystem. What if all developers used it? The web might become so much faster.
Oh wow, I hadn't thought of it that way. That could really change how we perceive web performance.
Yeah. And adding to that, it also logs memory peaks for each hit, so you can see what pages are memory intensive.
So basically, you can track memory hogs. This could help developers optimize their code much better.
Absolutely. And think about the implications for user experience. Faster load times could lead to higher conversion rates.
No doubt, and reduce server costs too. I can only imagine the savings for high-traffic sites.
This is making me rethink how I view application health. A shift from reactive to proactive management.
Exactly. And it's kind of empowering for developers, having the ability to fix problems before users even notice.
Yeah. And I wonder if there are other tools out there that take a similar approach in different programming environments.
That's a great question. It makes me curious about performance monitoring across other languages too.
For sure. But returning to phptop, what blew my mind is how straightforward it is to set up and use.
And how long it's been reliable in production. I feel like this is a hidden gem in the developer community.
Totally. I mean, the fact it requires PHP 5.2 and above means a lot of people could benefit from it today.
Right? And scaling it up would be the next logical step. I can picture a ton of developers diving into this.
It's exciting to think about. But what if there are other performance metrics we're overlooking in web apps?
That's a real possibility. It's like there's always something more to uncover. Performance optimization feels endless.
Exactly. And this could spur further innovations in monitoring tools. Maybe we'll see more like it across ecosystems.
Oh, for sure. Just imagine the next-gen tools that could come from seeing PHPtop succeed.
Now, I'm curious if bearstech has plans for other languages. That could really enhance the monitoring landscape.
It'd definitely broaden their reach. I feel like there's a market for efficient monitoring tools waiting to be tapped.
And it's fascinating how small innovations can spark such big changes in our tech environments.
Totally. It's all about pulling the right levers. All we need is one breakthrough to change the whole game.
That's a profound thought. So what do you think is next for performance monitoring in development?
If I had to guess, I'd say tools that integrate AI could be on the horizon. Imagine AI predicting performance issues.
Whoa, now that would be a game changer. Automated troubleshooting based on predictive analytics.
Exactly. I mean, the possibilities are endless. We're just scratching the surface of innovative monitoring.
Okay, I can't help but feel excited about where this is all headed. The future is so bright for developers.
For sure. And who knows what else is evolving in tech right under our noses.
This has been such an enriching conversation. I can't wait to see what tools emerge next.
Same here. It's conversations like these that remind me how dynamic and exciting the tech world can be.